Assalamu alaikum. Are you thinking about doing flat interior decoration? Come, trust our SMK. Interior design and decoration, with the well-planned supervision of our own skilled engineers and skilled craftsmen, to give your flat a modern and unique quality look using state-of-the-art materials and decorate it as you wish. We provide services for your favorite office, home, bedroom, kitchen cabinet, wardrobe cabinet, showroom, shop, residential hotel or restaurant and any commercial space with well-decorated decoration etc. Contact SMK. Interior design and decoration. Call now. Cell phone with arrow 01961 515993. Office, Aftab Nagar, Dhaka, 1212.